Welcome to Arch Concept, where creativity meets functionality in residential design. This is our latest architectural concept for the month of July, thoughtfully crafted to add to our growing portfolio of practical yet visually compelling home ideas. For this design, we begin by focusing on the site, a 150 square meter lot. It's a size that many homeowners and developers encounter, especially in suburban subdivisions, and it just so happens to be the ideal footprint for the structure we're about to share. With this lot size, we achieve the right balance between space efficiency and architectural freedom, allowing enough room for comfortable indoor living, natural light flow, and even space for outdoor elements. Whether you're building in a planned community or adapting this concept to a different location, the 150 sqm lot provides the flexibility needed for thoughtful, well-zoned living. Let's take a closer look at how we shape this space into something purposeful and elegant. The gate features a unique squarish pattern, framed with solid light beige accents, a clean, modern touch that sets the tone for the entire facade. The exterior facade features clean, light beige painted concrete with a fine finish, accented by glass windows and glass railings on terrace. Warm wood tile accents break the monotony, while the composition of forms creates harmony, a balanced blend of solid mass and details through repetition. Such patterns and decors create a harmonic union of opposites. The elevations reveal a thoughtful balance between bold, solid masses and refined detailing. Subtle grooves, patterns, and textures soften the form, while carefully tweaked proportions bring rhythm and visual balance, creating a presence that's both grounded and captivating. Along the sides and toward the rear of the house, narrow spaces have been transformed into a charming side garden, carefully landscaped to bring softness, greenery, and a touch of serenity within a limited footprint. At the rear portion of the house, you'll find the service core, neatly accommodating the laundry area, drying space, and a well-placed dirty kitchen for everyday functionality. The garage is designed to comfortably accommodate both a family car and motorbikes, with efficient use of space and direct access to the main entry, blending convenience with clean, functional layout. The living area exudes quiet elegance, with a well-composed arrangement of furniture and thoughtfully placed ornaments, a minimalist style, creating a warm, inviting space that balances comfort with refined style. The dining area showcases a sleek, minimalist 8-seater table perfectly positioned for family gatherings. Just a few steps away, the kitchen counter, or breakfast nook, features an elegant row of 4 modern stools, blending style and functionality for casual dining or morning coffee moments. The kitchen embraces minimalist simplicity, with clean lines and uncluttered surfaces, offering just the right amount of space for a family to cook, gather, and enjoy everyday moments together. Welcome to the heart of our home's second floor, the family area. We've embraced a minimalist approach here, proving that less truly is more. The result is a space that feels open, airy, and incredibly elegant, offering a peaceful retreat for everyone. It's simple, refined, and always inviting. Welcome to our second floor terrace. This inviting outdoor space offers a fantastic vantage point, overlooking the quiet subdivision street below. Step into Bedroom 2, a beautifully designed space that proves good things come in small packages. You'll find an ideal TV location, a dedicated study or desktop PC table, and a generously sized closet offering ample storage for two. It's a smart, efficient, and perfectly appointed haven, maximizing every inch for a truly comfortable stay. Step into a toilet and bath designed for both comfort and style. This space features an elegant water closet set paired with a sleek lavatory, creating a cohesive and sophisticated look. Welcome to Bedroom 4. This room, while modest in size, is perfectly configured to comfortably host two individuals, featuring a well-placed spot for your TV and a spacious closet providing ample storage for both occupants. Bedroom 4 is a testament to efficient design, offering a cozy and fully equipped retreat. Just above the main entrance, you'll discover a stunning double-volume space that truly opens up the home. This impressive architectural feature is directly visible from the family area, offering a captivating view down into the living space below. If you enjoy our videos and want to see more inspiring architectural designs, walkthroughs, and design ideas, please support our channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, clicking the bell so you never miss an upload, sharing with your friends who love architecture too. Your support helps us keep creating and sharing meaningful content. Thank you for being part of the Arch Concept community. Thanks for watching.